The other day, I told one of the inspectors to always remove the filter and look underneath the HVAC. Because once in a while, you're gonna find a koi pond down there. He said, "What do you mean by that?" I said, "Well, all the condensation falls down and it creates a big swimming pool. The right size to keep fish. A koi pond." Look at the water leaking. There's the water. Of water. Water up to here. Koi pond. From that little trickle, water up to here. Always remove the filter. Stay curious. Waypoint Property Inspection. We're the curious people.